Have you ever been successful at something? Did you ever win something? Like win a game, win a wrestling match, win a fight? How did it feel to win? Felt pretty good, right? It builds confidence. Well, what if you had a coach to help you win financially, building wealth, building financial independence? Have you ever lost? Have you ever put money in something that you lost all your money, or it was, God forbid, a scam? Well, if you have, then you know that winning feels a lot better than losing in everything in life, especially when it comes to our money, because we trade money for time and our lives are measured in time. So if you want to learn how to be financially independent, then let us coach you at Create Tailwind on that journey, and we'll make sure that you win a lot more than you lose.